air medium ni trouble kabagapa ye mirror ni surface ko nangthang emang kapan direction gata example gen kya nangthang light ni re bai mang nangthang emang kapan direction gata example ni kon reflection of light chikon bouncing. Hello everyone, after a long time I'm back with a new video. So today's topic is all about reflection and refraction of light, which is from chapter 9 of embossed edition NCERT book. First, let us see what is light. Light is a form of energy that provides sensation to our vision. Light tarag isa energy nga chini through ansang ya light ni through gamak takawa object ba bostu rang kon nakata maninga. Some common phenomena associated with light are image formation by mirror, twinkling of stars, the beautiful color of rainbow, bending of light by a medium. Ye gamkan main akan gen phenomena na akana. Ye phenomena lang ara kemakan light ni asel ong kata maninga. Now let's see the properties of light. Sekarang apa? It is an electromagnetic wave, does not require any medium to travel. Light adalah gesa electromagnetic wave nga aro ye light travel kana katara medium basija. Ci medium kita ba travel kana mana ya? Medium ni akan cuma ode air bagi esa medium, water bagi esa medium, aro glass ko bagi esa medium ni kana. Ci kita light tingkot na mana ba travel kana mana. Kini ka point tends to travel in a straight line. Light tara pangnan straight line no travel kana. Among salba sini light nak to light tara gongge thangcha, light tara pangnan shunge thanga. Straight line nya kana. Katang baba point, speed of light is maximum in vacuum, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second to the power minus 1. Light tara arrow travel ka onde ni speed tara patana kapan midirang ko combine kai. Compare kai. Jen salo light arrow travel again ba pangbang ba biapan sang light ko natken nuno light ni speed tara patana kapan medium lang hot sane jirke kapan medium yang de water bagi se medium glass bagi se medium ye medium na batte light ni speed tara arrow patana ye air kon vacuum ni ba agana micro reflection of light nya kana jen salo light air medium ni trouble kabagapa ye mirror ni surface ko nangthang emang kapan direction gata example gen kya nangthang light ni re bai mang nangthang emang kapan direction gata example ni kon reflection of light chikon bouncing back of light into the same medium by the smooth surface is called reflection of light nya kana re bai kabas khang light ko incident ray nya kana nangthang ni jamno re yang phal light ni re kon reflected ray ni agana. Now next slide ansang reflection of light ni tentang example atau demonstration aku yang nakta mangen. Yan ansang kata-kata makninga sal ni re bang kapa light object ko nangthang emang ansini mukron na re angya mo. Ansang ra bostu rang ko manya seleknya sal ni re bang kapa light skang kapa bostu nangthang gen nangthang ni jamna ansini mukron na sokang gen aur ya ansini mukron sa ya object ni image ko de tharinga ansini mukron au ke se retin donga ye retin au tharinga retin au se image form ka nga ini jamana sa ansing ya object ko nekna kata makna directly ansing ya object ko nekna kata manja ya bagi sa reflection of light ni example ain au ansing antang ko nek baba ke sa reflection of light ni selan wa apsan ke ya abri bolrang ko chiu nek ba reflection of light ni selan ya. Now let's see what is law of reflection of light. What does this law tell us about? Angle of incident is equal to the angle of refraction. Micro incident ray or reflected ray changchu dong kapag isa line mo. Ye incident ni angle mang refraction ni angle ra panan apsan ona mo equal ona upusa angle of incident is equal to the angle of refraction ya kan ya. Ya kata lah di bang ode ya ban daki applikan aru yani angle ba option ungen ini angle ba option ungen light ni re indeki bang ode ya ba daki applikan aru ya mang ni angle ara option ungen ikusa akan ya. Laws of refraction of light angle of incident is equal to angle of refraction. Mang incident ray, reflected ray are normal, all are in the same plane. Micro incident ray niya skang gaba light ni ray, bago light ko incident ray yakana object ko nang tingin man tang gaba light kon, light ni ray kon, reflected ray, aro jangchi dong saltong gaba line kon normal ray. Ya giga tham line ara ki sa plane non lie on agi so ansang mirror ni dingtang tang rokomang ko minagdam again jekon types of mirror ni kana skang gaba spherical kini gaba concave tang ba convex arme plane mirror plane mirror ara what akaba mirror jekon ansang salanchi makhang ni na kata aina kata ninga jekon looking mirror ni kana again ba looking glass ni kana again jian flat mo smooth surface flat skang gaba ansang spherical mirror ko niya micro spherical mirror niya kana. Now spherical mirror. Ya kata spherical ko na masing anda spherical ni meaning ra nake room magtak bukon spherical niya kana jeri kyan sini agasak ba sphere ba spherical ni shape if the reflecting surface is part of hollow sphere then the mirror is spherical mirror. Ye reflecting surface micro reflecting surface niya kan gen light ni de ba emang ya rekeng nang nangi tang apa gaba surface ya rekeng kon reflecting surface nya kan gen sandiki no ban gen lagi nang ngimang tang apa gaba surface kon reflecting surface nya kana wo reflecting surface tara hollow sphere ni part nga ode ko mayang spherical mirror mai ko hollow sphere nya gen hollow sphere unjok antini water pipe shi pipe sini pipe ba runggamut de ka aru runggamut ni au akol dong amu ikon magen hollow sphere ni perfect example de antini pipe pag isa hollow sphere on ya spherical mirror is of two types, one is concave and another one is convex mirror. Micro concave mirror niya kana the mirror which is curved inward is called concave mirror, also called converging mirror because it converges the light. Micro concave mirror niya kana concave mirror unjok ngachi kumku gpa mo ndake kumku bakon curve nang achi curve ng bakon maina concave mirror niya kana curve ni meaning ra kumku gpa gungi bakon curve niya kana jeriki ya aru ya concave mirror kon converging mirror niya ba mai nak mo converging mirror niya kana converging mirror unjok ndake light ni ba mang light ni dikri ba mang isa biapo ndake thumda kani kon converge niya kana jadi kena semua kata maknanya light ni rays ibainga ibameng ya f po apsan thumdaknya ya light ni rays ibaimeng gisa bia po thumdak ani kon converges the light by converging mirror niya kana again ya convex mirror kura now convex mirror the mirror which is curved outward is known as convex mirror also called diverging mirror curved outward niya kana jungle chini ndage gangret kapa mirror kon convex mirror niya kana aru ya convex mirror kon diverging ni ba kana mani gaman the sis kanga ba case to de converging wa mani converging light ibai mang ndage nang thingrka deba yano de convex mirror de je light tan de benga convex mirror ko nang thangani jamano thumda kani phar batesa line oni thangi khata mo mili jai thangi khata ta chirki yana bune kata mangen yala tebem dige thangi khatinga chirki ne ba thangi khatinga tenige thangi khata ni kon diverges ni ana je kon diverging mirror mani kamen yera light ko diverge ka ana some important terms related to mirrors skanga ba pole the center of the mirror is called its pole mirror ni janchi bat ko port kon pole ni ana je kon midpoint ni bagana kini ba point center of curvature the center of the imaginary shape of which the mirror is a part is called as center of curvature jang sphere ni midpoint mo jangchi ba point kon center of curvature ni agana jadi yana ba yagi is a circle ni jangchi bat ko part kon center of curvature agana katam gaba the radius of hollow sphere of which mirror is a part katam gaba radius of curvature jian center of curvature ni aro pole ni chelgir kani kon ba distance kon radius of curvature ni agana. Beri gaba principal axis rong jok spherical mirror bagi se mirror ko changchi part ka gaba kon principal axis ni agana ba changchi ya salgaba line kon principal axis ni agana. Bunga gaba principal focus. Ye principal focus ara center of curvature aro pole ni bijangchi donggaba gesa point kon focus ni agana. Ari ya focus kadan light ni rays thangbai ma concave mirror nangtingi mang ya focus kadan light dara reflect back ongrunga. Tok apa focal length. Ya focal length arong jok principal focus aro pole ni distance kon focal length ni agana. Focus aro pole ni distance kon focal length ni agana. Sini gaba aperture ara mirror ni size. The mirror ni size kon aperture ni agana. Size of the mirror is called aperture of mirror.